Welcome back to the lab, welcome back to EE for everyone. I have had a lot of fun developing this project, drafting a simple schematic, throwing it in a layout, got some boards ordered. It's all good stuff. I continue to be amazed by how quick, cheap, and easy it is to build a PCB. I stand by what we said before. Getting this board on order was absolutely cheaper and easier than using a perf board or proto board. I mean, especially for these kinds of surface mount parts, it's really a lot of work to do it, well, any other way but the right way. The best part is, we get to finish that fun today. We'll be assembling, programming, and testing this PCB made to light up our sign. So let's dive in. As we're assembling this board, it only seems right to talk about the layout. This is a 2-layer PCB that should have been thinner than it is, but we'll talk more about that later. I meant to order a thinner than standard PCB, but ended up buying the standard 1/16 of an inch on accident. It's totally my fault. That's just because the slots they've left in the plastic are thinner than the standard board. As far as schematic scope, this is as simple as it comes. The most complex I see is an 8-pin gull wing part with a row of the WS2813B LEDs above it. There are 2 critical traces running around the board, one of which is an open collector switch, and the other is the LED data output. 1 power plane, 1 ground plane, no gaps in it. We're done. All that's left is to sit back, relax, and enjoy the build. A power-on test is very straightforward. In this case, we're starting with a current-limited, low-voltage ramp up to 5 volts on our linear lab power supply. We're going to follow that with a programming attempt. I'll start by using a lab supply and switch over to a different voltage source when necessary. Oh, okay. So this is just a test library for Adafruit. It's basically just their example project. Hey, there we go. So now we can see the 3 discrete diode elements. The controller element, you can see the wire bonding that was done. Yeah. That is a beautiful image. These are really awesome parts. These are really cool. Now we should have power. I still need to upgrade this thing to not just use alkaline batteries, because that doesn't meet the whole point of the project, but it seems to be in there. If I drop a sign back in, we'll just hold this for a second. Hopefully these are close enough to use for right now. Oh yes. Oh yes, they are. I really can't say this enough. I love addressable LEDs. This is an application that I think really makes sense for these parts. The fact that every single LED can show a different color allows for awesome color mixing and fading effects. And with the libraries that are already available, you can throw something like this together really fast. You just can't come close to this effect with traditional LEDs on a micro that's this light. I think this project went very well, and I hope that you agree. From flame effects to a color wheel, this sign is way more visually interesting than it used to be. And that'll make a great complement to a shelf somewhere. I'm excited to see how motivated I get to continue writing software and adding animations to this thing. I expect we'll add this code to our GitHub page, so look for links to the schematics and software in the description of this video. That's all I have for today. But if you like this video and can't wait for more, let me know by getting subscribed, hitting that like button, and leaving a comment down below. A special thanks to our channel members on Patreon and YouTube. I really appreciate the extra step you've taken to support us directly. Coming up soon, we'll be starting off a new project, and I can't wait! Most of all, I hope that you learned something great today, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching AE for everyone, and thank you for staying till the end. Bye!